Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to send a video on Facebook Messenger using the Facebook Messenger app for iPhone, iPad, and Android devices and the Messenger.com website. In addition to using Facebook Messenger to exchange text messages with friends and family, you can also share videos. On the Facebook Messenger mobile app, you can choose a video to share from your device's camera roll, and on the Messenger website, you can choose supported video files on your computer. However, be aware that when you send a video to other people on Facebook Messenger, they do have the ability to download those videos to their personal devices. First, let's look at the steps to send a video on Facebook Messenger using the Facebook mobile app for iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. Step 1. Launch the Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll land on your Facebook Messenger home screen. Step 2. Tap the conversation thread you want to open. That conversation thread appears on your screen. Step 3. Tap the camera icon in the lower left corner of the conversation thread. The camera icon looks like a silhouette of a camera and is in the row of icons to the left of where you would enter a message. The Facebook Messenger camera app opens. Step 4. Tap the thumbnail icon in the lower left corner of the screen that shows your most recent photo to open your device's camera roll. Step 5. Tap the video you want to send on Facebook Messenger. A blue circle appears in the upper right corner of that video with the number 1 on the inside of it. Tap to select multiple videos if you want to send multiple videos on Facebook Messenger. Step 6. As you start selecting videos, a small paper airplane icon appears in the lower right corner of the screen. When you're done selecting all of the videos you want to send, tap the paper airplane icon. You'll be returned to your Facebook Messenger conversation thread where you'll now see your video posted in the thread where everyone else will be able to see it. Now let's walk through how to send a video on Facebook Messenger using the Messenger.com website. Step 1. Open a web browser and navigate to Messenger.com. You'll land on your Facebook Messenger home screen. Step 2. Tap to select the conversation you want to send a Facebook Messenger video to. That conversation thread appears in the center of your screen. Step 3. Tap the icon featuring 2 pictures in the row of icons directly beneath where you would enter a message. An open file browser window appears. Step 4. Navigate to where the video you want to share in your Facebook Messenger conversation is located. Click to select that video and then click Open. You'll return to the Facebook Messenger conversation where you'll now see an icon associated with your video directly above where you would typically enter a message. Step 5. Click Send. The video will be posted in your Facebook Messenger conversation where everyone in that group can see it. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.